Hey riders, oops. Hey riders, what's up? It's my girl. Let me restart this because I don't even know what I'm doing. Hey riders, what's up? It's your girl AB, and why would this not be okay? I'm gonna have to start over again, riders. Take 3. Hey riders, what's up? It's your girl AB. Anyways, I wanted to make a little video introducing myself or reintroducing myself to you guys. And if you're new here, what it is, my name is AB, aka Taz's Angel AB. And yeah, like that's just my name, so call me AB. Let's see, what else? I really don't even know what I'm gonna do in this video. I felt cute. I did my makeup earlier, something really simple and light. I think I've used this camera like twice, so hopefully everything looks good. It looks good from the little screen. Hopefully it's not blurry. Hopefully I'm not too washed out. I have to tan, but it's been so cold in Florida. There's a cold front, which I love. Let's see, what am I gonna do? Because I feel like I'm rambling already. Oh yeah, I wanted to turn this simple little natural look into something a little bit more aggressive. The before. By the way, I want to like get more comfortable shooting on this side of my face. This is like what I consider my good side. I like using this side more. I feel like this side is like, oh hi, what's up, my name is AB. This side is like, I don't like you, I don't trust you, get the fuck. Anyways, I'm just rambling because I really don't know what to do. Let's see, what's up with this music? Do you guys still use Pandora? I still use Pandora. I mean, I got Spotify and all that other shit, but I just feel like Pandora. Wait, I don't think I was recording. I don't think I was recording, riders. Anyways, let me just tell you guys again, I'm using a cool tone bronzy color to, you know what, I don't think I'm gonna talk. Anyways, riders, what have you guys been up to? I know a lot of you guys have been asking me for hair tutorials. I know I always say this, but please stay tuned. I kind of don't like this to be too perfect. Effortless. You're not a professional makeup artist. You still look hot. When you're a bad bitch, you gonna make it work. You know what I have in mind right now? Think of like a Batman mask. I hope that makes sense. Okay, guys, so I smoked it out. Whatever I had, I just smoked out with the same brush. I darkened the bottom a little bit more. Now all you gotta do is get a Q-tip and clean it up. I don't know, I think it looks cool. A little bit of blush. I gotta clean up my face a little bit. Do you guys see the vision? Do you see the Batman mask? Okay, I think the camera's gonna die, riders. I think I was gonna put like black mascara, but I kind of like it without that. I don't know if it translates the same on this camera, but in person it looks pretty cool without anything. Let me just touch up my lips a little bit. I'm gonna use brown to just light my lips a little bit so you can see them more. I want to leave them very just glossy. Of course, pick out my hair a little bit. And that's it, riders. I really hope it looks good on camera because in person it looks really hot. I don't know. Anyways, riders, I hope you guys like this little video. I hope it looks good so I can actually post this video. Get at me in the DMs. I want to talk to you guys. I want to catch up. BBLU. Bye, riders.